Hola, mamacitas. Today we're going to be making these stuffed fajita mushrooms, steak fajita mushrooms. What I had some leftover steak fajitas. You can buy the frozen kind or make your own. And then I just removed the stems from the inside of the mushrooms and cleaned them out. And then I'm going to chop them up. First, I lined my pan with some parchment paper and I sprayed it with a little cooking oil. And then I'm just placing my mushrooms in the parchment paper pan. And it actually took 2 pans because I had so much. Then I chopped up my stems and I chopped up some green onion that I had from the garden. Then I sauteed them both in some butter until the onions were nice and translucent. And then I added some seasoning. I just added some salt and a little bit of pepper to this. Then I stirred in my steak fajita mix and stuffed my mushrooms with this mixture and put them all back into the pan. Topped with some shredded cheese. This was a mixture of cheddar and jack cheese, and just baked them in the oven until the cheese was all nice and melted. And here you go. These were so delicious. I made a bunch because I was going to bring some to a party, and I stored them in the refrigerator for the next day. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.